Yeah, so obviously I wanted like a career change, and I looked up for like colleges that offer what I was looking for, and I found this place to be the best option since it's close to where I live, and they offer a full comprehensive gold card with a discount as well than if I was actually to go and do the course like individually. So yeah, just for like a career change and for try something new. In level two, I learned a lot about like the basics, obviously Ohm's law calculations, electrics, and just like the proper like in-depth stuff of about electricity. Even though it's a bit more basic, but yeah, just different things they're gonna help me during the job and in my life as a person. Yeah, the exams have been really good. Obviously, I've passed all of my exams in level two, first time, with an average of even like 85%. So I've been one of the top students, in my class. So yeah, it's been really good, honestly. They're actually good, trying to help you even if you're not their student. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's been awesome, amazing. Yeah, the biggest eye opener has been more to do with the theory side. So like the maths and everything else, because before applying for this course, I never knew that I have to do so much maths in maybe level two, even though I don't want to scare you, it's not that difficult, but it's just like a new thing that I didn't know. So yeah, but to me personally, I like the maths. It keeps my brain ticking and I like that. I even look back at when I started up till now, it's been how long? 6, 7 weeks, totally different person. So I'm just grateful for the skills that I've apprehended and for the dedication that I've put myself as well, at home and taking the extra hours. So it's been really hard. I've been changed, totally changed. Obviously, I'm looking forward to, passing my exams. I've already started level three. I started ahead of the class, but obviously trying to read ahead. We done a test yesterday. I passed it, obviously, but I'm just trying to, get my stuff going, pass the exams, and get my gold cards and get qualified and start working. That's what we're here for.